In this video, I'll guide you through how to get the green theme on your Steam profile. Customizing your Steam profile is a great way to give it a unique appearance, and one of the most popular profile themes is the green ENA game profile available through the Steam Points shop. If you've been wondering how to unlock and apply it, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed Steam yet, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once the application is open, click the Sign In button if you aren't already logged into your account. Enter your Steam account credentials and sign in. Make sure your login information is entered correctly, and always keep your account details secure, especially if you're using a shared computer. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Next, click on your profile name near the top right corner of the Steam window. A drop-down menu will appear. From the available options, select View My Profile to open your public profile page. Once your profile loads, click the Edit Profile button. This section contains all of the customization options for your Steam profile, including profile information, backgrounds, showcases, and themes. Inside the profile editor, locate the theme option and open it. From there, click the Steam Points shop link. This will take you to Steam's customization store, where you can unlock profile cosmetics using Steam Points earned through purchases made on the platform. Once you're in the Steam Points shop, search for game profiles and then use the search bar to look for ENA. When the ENA profile appears, open it to view its details. This is the profile theme that includes the green appearance shown in this guide. If you have enough Steam Points available, purchase the ENA game profile. This profile requires 10,000 Steam Points, so make sure your balance is sufficient before completing the purchase. After the purchase is complete, the profile theme will become available in your customization options. Return to your profile settings, select the newly unlocked theme, and apply it to your profile. Once saved, your Steam profile will display the new green-themed appearance, giving it a fresh and distinctive look. That's all there is to it. You now know how to get the green theme on your Steam profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.